now that the front and the back of Robi's head, as well as that piece in there, is connected, we got to do the ears of the robot, I believe. Or if not, I think maybe the top of the head could go in there. So I'm thinking it should hopefully keep some of the pieces together. Let's see. Maybe the top of the head. And it seems to connect beautifully. Very well designed, this bit. And then we have the ears that will go on like so. I do not know at this point if there's a specific configuration for the ears that is better or worse, but that went in really easily, so I am hoping it's correct. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next part where I will show you if it is or not.